Welcome to Customers Talk Highcon, where we ask your question to our customers. But before we get started, I'm going to give you 60 seconds on Highcon, just to be certain that we're all on the same page. Highcon develops and supplies digital die cutting and creasing systems for folding carton and corrugated carton manufacturers. Our proprietary dark technology uses 3D printing to write the crease lines, and we cut with lasers. The creases have similar folding force to analog. It's a tooling-free solution, so you don't have the waiting time or the cost of the die. It's a low carbon footprint solution because you don't have a die. You can free customers from MOQs, minimum order quantities, and inventories because you don't have to spread the cost of the die across a large number of units. You can finish on demand because you don't need to wait for a tool. You can offer design freedom and produce high-quality, intricate designs that are either impossible or impractical with analog finishing because that's the inherent advantage of the digital technology. Not every job is suited to analog. Not every job is suited to Highcon. You need to be able to choose the right tool for the right job, and that's why so many converters can benefit from a Highcon system within their production platform. Today's question is, why invest in digital die cutting? First up is Linny, one of Highcon's largest UK customers. Linny is an advanced full-service marketing company with a specialization in point of sale and point of purchase. Linny has more than doubled production using the Highcon Beam system, meeting evolving customer demands. Their strategic investment during the pandemic improved efficiency, reduced turnaround times, and secured their position as an industry leader.
We like to invest to actually bring either our work in or to grow a business or to build our existing business with existing clients. So we tend not to buy a machine in the hope that we will fill it. So this machine was acquired very, very much to satisfy a need we had. It helped us bring out some artwork back in-house. But yeah, that's very much how we did it. So it wasn't targeting new markets for ourselves. That might well come along the line. You know, we're always looking to grow the business here, but it was very much reacting quickly to our customers' needs. It was absolutely the right decision to make for us, and it's a key machine now in our offering.
McGowan's Digital Print, Ireland's largest digital printer, strategically invested in the Highcon Beam 2 system to establish a strong presence in the folding carton market. This decision, based on potential business rather than existing needs, resulted in substantial growth and success. McGowan's system was installed in 2022 at his Dublin facility and serves as a pivotal component within an end-to-end digital print and packaging workflow, specially designed for short-run folding carton and microflute corrugated packaging jobs.
We don't buy a machine to solve a problem. We buy a machine to create revenue. We based our decision on potential business as opposed to, if you like, existing business. So we decided that the Lambda, together with the Highcon, is a perfect solution for medium to short and short-run folded carton. We've been quite successful in creating a new business within our business in folded carton. Our turnover on folded carton now has grown to about 150,000 a month. Our target is about 500,000. It's the flexibility, it's the speed to market. It's we couldn't go for the type of market we're going for without the flexibility of Highcon. We're growing. We should be up another 14-15% this year. So, and that really is our target, is to try and keep that 14 or 15% growth every year.
The Box Maker, a leading US manufacturer of digitally printed packaging solutions, is highly experienced in digital printing and ramped its digital finishing capacity quickly to work with 3 Highcon systems. Their success story showcases rapid full capacity utilization within months and significant revenue generation.
We probably reached full capacity on the first one within a couple of months, but the second one arrived very quickly. And so, you know, it took until late in that season for us to reach full capacity again, which to us, full capacity would be 2 shifts across 7 days a week. And then the beam went in the following January. So, and then again, now all of that capacity now has more capacity to address all the orders. So today we're not anywhere near fully utilized, mostly because one of our big customers insourced and became a Highcon customer. So, it's now a process of building up the volume again, but it continues to grow every month, and it's been very successful for us. More than half of our revenue for web to print ran across Highcon equipment. Millions in revenue across the 3 Highcons.
With a rich history of delivering innovative solutions in the prototyping sector, Virtual Packaging in Dallas recognized a growing demand among its customers who are looking to transition from prototypes to full-scale production. In the face of a market where no other converter could offer a good solution for short to medium run lengths in the folding carton market, they embraced the challenge with digital finishing.
Right after prototyping until like high scale or large scale manufacturing, there's this niche market right in between it, from 500 pieces to, it depends on what package you're making, but it could be up to 10,000 pieces. And traditional guys didn't want it. I mean, it's a hassle setting up all those plates, a hassle setting up all those dies for not really much of a job. You could be running a longer job, you could be running a bigger job, a more profitable job. And most of the time, those guys took those jobs just to keep a customer happy. Well, for us, it's a whole industry, a whole market that nobody wanted. We went after a market that nobody really wanted, I guess is the best way to say it, and Highcon was our best option. It helps us, push more and more jobs out. In most cases, from about 8 a.m. till, heck, sometimes 10 p.m., we're still cutting constantly. You guys have probably seen the numbers for us. It's grown year over year over year. There's a lot that goes through that machine. We're pushing what you guys can do, and it's constantly growing, and we're offering more and more products because of it. There's some growing competition. I mean, a lot of people utilizing the systems just like us, which is great. I mean, it's becoming more normal, I guess. It's still very young. It's still very early. It's weird saying that after it being over 4 years, but it is very early. People are trending this way because it's, like I said at the beginning, it's an industry and market that nobody wanted to do. And now that people are seeing it's not hard to do if you have the right equipment. If you have the right equipment, it's very easy, very profitable, and you're turning more and more jobs every single day. It can be up to 15, 20 jobs in a single day.
So why do you need to invest now? Virtual Packaging notes growing competition as more and more converters realize the many benefits of digital die cutting. The market is expanding, and investing now can ensure your business stays ahead.
The market is growing drastically. That is for sure. The competition is growing. It's a little slower because they haven't made the same investments. But there are probably maybe 3 or 4 facilities, maybe more, in the US that utilize exactly what we use. But there are some that are utilizing some different printing processes. But it seems just about all of them are using the Highcon for their cutting, for their digital finishing.
We've heard from 4 different customers with different businesses and different business models. They had a variety of motivations to acquire Highcon's digital die cutting solutions, and all have found success. Thanks to our partners at Linny, McGowan's, The Box Maker, and Virtual Packaging for sharing their insights. And thank you for joining this first episode of Customers Talk Highcon. The future of paperboard packaging production is digital, and the time to embark on this transformative journey is now. If you have any further questions or need additional information, please feel free to visit our website at www.highcon.net or send us an email to info@highcon.net. Goodbye, and thank you for your time and attention. Have a wonderful day.